Life in a world that keeps changing. Think that it's progress you're making. Copy and paste pretty faces all the time. Pictures so perfect we play through, only cause you set up the angle. Web that you weave got us tangled, caught in what's before our eyes. Show off your fantasy reality, whoa, that's yours, but I'll keep doing mine. You'll be living your good life, catch a glimpse from the outside, then you see me now, see me now, see now. Don't need any timeline to prove that this is my life. I can see it now, see it now, see now. You'll be living your good life, catch a glimpse of the outside, then you see me now, see me now, see me now. Don't need any timeline to prove that this is my life. I can see it now, see it now, see now.
Y'all weren't actually seeing, sorry, I thought you were, but you'll see soon. And I love my porridge with bread, and I added some chiffon butter to that. Comment down below if you love your porridge with bread or cracker.
Beautiful people still make mistakes. It isn't perfection, what is it we chase?
Welcome back to my channel. Hope everyone is having a good day. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe, and tell a friend to tell a friend about my channel. Alright guys, so I'm just starting, well, I think you saw me making breakfast earlier. Well, it was kind of brunch because it was about after 12. I was making cornmeal porridge. Now it's time to do some work on my laptop. I don't really have much to do, but I decided to start a new channel. So this is obviously my vlog channel, and I've decided to, I had this channel for a few months now, the other channel that I'm going to start posting on. But I've changed the name to Tricia Doyle. That's my first and last name. And I've decided to start posting how to make money online and work from home opportunities and stuff like that. So if you're interested in those kind of videos, I mean, I know a lot of persons wants to know how to make money online and how to you know, do stuff online. So that's what that channel will be about. So if you're interested, the link will be down in the description box below. You can go ahead and check it out. I posted a short video a few months ago. I might private that eventually, I might not. But for now, what I'm going to do, I've started to plan content because I really want to be consistent on that channel. So I've started to plan content. So whenever I start posting, I want it to flow. So you can click the link down in my description box below to go and subscribe to that channel. You can share it because I know a lot of people, as I said, want to know how to make money online. And if you are new to my channel, you might not know that I work from home. I'm a full-time online freelancer, trying to start other business as well. So I'm an online freelancer and an entrepreneur. So of course I don't know everything, but I'm willing to share what I know, plus share other stuff. So yeah, check it out in the description below and share it with friends and family. Okay, so that's what I'm doing. So for now, I'm going to, well, I'm not going to start planning content yet. I'm going to check my emails and stuff like that because I haven't pulled up my laptop since Friday. It's Monday. So yeah, for some reason my laptop is taking a while to come up. But how are you guys doing? I'm not sure when I'll post this video, hopefully soon. As I'm struggling with editing, so I might record something and then I don't edit it for a while and stuff like that, but I'm really trying to get better. Alright, so I was saying, I've been trying to be consistent, but it's hard, and I've been struggling with editing videos and stuff like that. So I'm not sure when you guys will see this video, hopefully soon. But I was going to ask, how is the hurricane, and are you guys being affected by the hurricane and stuff like that? I think I said it in the previous clip that it hasn't been affecting us here much where I am in Manchester. I'm not sure if other parts of Manchester are being are experiencing it worse, but I don't think so. But hey, I don't watch news that much to know, or you know, I haven't been on social media much. But yeah, but I hope you guys are keeping safe, and hope you guys haven't been affected much by this hurricane that's going on. So yeah, that's what's up. So I'm just trying to pull up, as I said, I'm a freelancer, so I work on Fiverr. All of that information will be shared on the other channel, so about freelancing and stuff like that. So as I said, I'll link in the description below for that. This is what outside is looking like. As I said, it's not bad. A little windy, but not bad, thank God. So hopefully everyone, as I said, is keeping safe in this hurricane. Guys, this is my dinner Sunday, Monday. Don't watch a presentation, please. Okay, so it's cow foot and these are beans. And this is some juice. It's a cheap juice. I think I paid $130 for it. This is it. Super Kid citrus punch. As I said, don't watch a presentation. I'm just showing you. It's nothing to really present, like, you know, but just a show. It's just a vlog, so I'm just showing you what I'm eating. So yeah, looks like a lot of food, but hey, I'm hungry. I really want to change my diet. I should not be eating rice, but it's been hard, man. But I'm definitely gonna try again. I posted 2 videos a few months ago actually, when I was on a diet. No longer on that diet, obviously, because I would not be eating rice. I might not eat all of this either, but hey. But yeah, need to go back on a diet. I've gained back the weight. And just to help with, you know, other medical issues that I have. So yeah. Yes, good. hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And hopefully I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.